Yeah, last time I walked this path, I walked this trail, was in the summer when everything was green and juicy and warm and sunny, and now it's nearly the opposite. And actually I enjoy this autumn more. What do you like more, summer or autumn? Autumn. Well, actually, thinking about it, I like both. Autumn and summer are very nice and have their advantages and their nice things and bad things. So I am enjoying all year round. Maybe the cold and the dampness in the winter not so much, but it's nice all year round. And my favorite is spring and autumn. Let's say it like this.